Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, as we begin working on multiplication and division, something that will save you time, and as we go through, I'm going to prove all you have to know is your zeros through nines. You know, and they taught you all the way through your 12s. I don't care if you know through your 12s. If you know your zeros through nines, multiplication and division are easy. If you don't know your zeros through nines, you can always look on your multiplication chart until you learn your zeros through nines. This is 5th grade. I can't spend time teaching you your zeros through nines. So if you want to make it easier, you're going to have to do that. That's not something I have the time to work into my curriculum. We've learned about the tens, the multiple or the powers of multiples of 10, 10, 100, 1000, multiplying and dividing, moving a decimal point, numbers don't change. You may add some zeros. If I have 36 times 20, here's my ones place. I'm going to have 0 ones. No matter what I do, I'm going to have 0 ones. If I multiplied this 0 through 2 and then I have to put a 0 there, I'm going to have 0 ones. So really all I have to do is move this 0 down there, and then I multiply by my 2s. You all know your 2s. 12, 7, 720. Y'all know your 2s. Okay? All I did is move this 0 down, and then I multiplied my 2 times 6, my 2 times 3. I did have to regroup, but that's easy peasy raw chicken squeezy. If it has a 0, let's say 40 times 90, my ones place and my tens place is going to be a 0. Because if I multiply 0, 0, I have to start, because now I'm in my tens place, a 0 there and a 0 there. So no matter what I do, if I have a 0 in the ones place for both factors, I'm going to have 2 zeros, and then I'm going to multiply the numbers I have left. 9 times 4, which everybody knows is 36. So I'd have 3,600. Now what I see throughout my career is I show you this, and then I see people going 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then, I mean, it doesn't matter if I gave you 500 times 70, 1, 2, 3 zeros down. 7 times 5 is 35. 35,000. I don't have to know. I don't have to go 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 35, and then, or 0, 0, 0, 35, and then do all that. I'm going to have a 1 or a 0 in the ones place. Now I'm going here, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place. Okay? If we remember these little things, they're going to help us. And no matter what problem you get, no matter if I gave you this problem,
I could do that.
No matter if I gave you that problem, now initially all of you go, oh my God, all I'm doing is multiplying my multiples of 7. 7 times 4, 7 times 8, 7 times 9. So I only need to know 1 digit times 1 digit. I'm going to multiply 9 times 4, 9 times 8, 9 times 9. I only need to know 1 digit by 1 digit. Learn your zeros through nines, and your life is going to be so much easier. Learn your zeros through nines, and it doesn't matter how big the factors are. You're still only multiplying 1 digit by 1 digit every single time. Samuel.
Look, it's literally just us multiplying one it's basically multiplying, let's say, 9 times 3. But then you add the zeros to both numbers.
Yeah. Okay? I need to convince you, I need you to believe this. If you know your zeros through nines, that's it. That's all you need to know. And you're going to do much, much better. If you don't know your zeros through nines, unless it's something that you're not allowed to use notes, use your multiplication chart until you learn your zeros through nines. But as I said, this ain't the time for me to teach it because I don't have that kind of time to teach it in 5th grade. So this is going to be something you have to take on your own if you don't know your zeros through nines. Like I said, today's Classroom of Google, there is a song that could teach you zeros through 12s, and you sing it. I'm going to try and send it to 102.9 and see if they'll start playing it on the radio. Then y'all can learn to sing it that way. Boom! Shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees, please subscribe.